Hello, everybody! Book launch party today! Yoo-hoo! I'm so excited to tell you that my book is out today internationally on Amazon. Yay! Book party! Let's have a book party. Join in. Join in the conversation. Today, my book is finally released on Amazon internationally. Co-parenting in harmony, creating a ripple effect. How some small, well, let me tell you, how simple act of kindness transform the future of your family. Hooray! The party has started. Join in and let's have some fun. I'm so excited about this book launch. I mean, I worked so hard on it, and I got a whole bunch of contributors as well who are talking about their story. Yeah! Let's have a party. Join in the party and let's have some fun. I'm so proud about this book, Co-Parenting in Harmony, Creating a Ripple Effect, because it does create a ripple effect. No matter what your behavior is, if it's positive or negative, it does create a ripple effect. And it not only affects the adults, but honestly, it affects the kids. It's all about the kids. So I'm so happy to have this book launched live on Facebook. Yoo-hoo! Anyhow, if we haven't met before, my name is Anna Janon. I am a certified master coach practitioner in co-parenting, and I am also an international co-author bestseller for my first book called The Co-Parenting in Harmony, The Art of Putting Your Child's Soul First, and also excited about the second book, Creating a Ripple Effect. Co-Parenting in Harmony, Creating a Ripple Effect. You see, this is all about to not let anger and resentment consume who you are as a parent, and because this is passed on to your children, and your children will get hurt, and they will feel they won't feel at ease. They won't feel comfortable, I should say, into this environment. So happy to introduce you for people who are joining in. I can see people are joining in. Yoo-hoo! We're having a party, a book launch party live on Facebook. Today I'd like to talk to you about, there's one chapter in this book called it's about bad mouthing. It's ripple effect. How it affects the children and how it affects you as a parent as well. You see, I'm on a mission to inspire and facilitate family transition in co-parenting. I guide divorced parents with children, obviously, to navigate the tricky terrain of co-parenting. You see, when people get divorced, they are still in the mindset of spouse partners, and that's why it creates a lot of arguments. We need to separate. We need to shift our mindset that you are no longer spouse partners. You are now parenting partners only. You are here just for your child's needs only. So let me tell you a bit about my journey, because I talk about my journey in this book, in this amazing book, Co-Parenting in Harmony, Creating a Ripple Effect. I come from, I'm a child of divorce, and being a child of divorce, I lived what co-parenting is about. By all means, my parents were not able to co-parent at all. I mean, way back then, it didn't exist. However, I still had the ripple effects on me, that they were always bad-mouthing each other. They were always criticizing each other, and that left me a lot with low self-esteem and no confidence at all. So it did I know damaging is a big word, but it did have its damage and its structure, and it was destructive as well. So, and I fell in love with the love of my life, my husband, and I inherited a bonus son who was 3 years old then. And I fell in love with both of them, and that's when my mission crystallized. So you get all this story in my book. And so I realized without education and without understanding that co-parenting is not easy. So parents who are divorced today, they need to become more skillful. They need to understand what co-parenting is all about. Join in. I can see people are joining in. Join in for my book launch party. Yoo-hoo! Live on Facebook. So getting back to the book, also in this book, I talk about the 10 practice principles that guide us, my husband and I, and my blended family on the path of co-parenting and harmony, which were very successful. And this is what I'm providing for you people who are struggling with effecting co-parenting out there. So I also like to say, this Sunday, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you amazing dads out there. And I just want to share this little heart feeling that I really feel about the dads out there, that, you know, if they are given the space to be that amazing dad, let me repeat myself, if they are given the space to be that amazing dad out there, they can be a loving and supporting parent in your child's life, in their child's life, I should say. So happy Father's Day, and they are amazing dads, and I know they do amazing stuff for their children if they are able and willing to do so as well. So I like to leave you with some tips today. I have some tips, 4 tips, 4 tips about bad mouthing. Do not trash your ex to your kids. Number 1, put your children's needs first. Very important. Accept that you both are parenting partners only. Shift the mindset. You are no longer spouse partners. You are now parenting partners only. Second tip I have, do not put your kids in the middle. Do not put your kids in the middle, because they will live conflict of loyalty, and they will be confused who they should love more, should love less. I mean, I was confused like every hour of the day. In the morning, I love my mom more, and in the afternoon, I love my dad more. I mean, I was really confused. So please do not put your kids in the middle of this. Tip number 3, stop fighting. Please stop fighting. Like I said, you need, one of the skills that co-parents need to become more skillful is to shift their mindset. You are no longer spouse partners. You are now parenting partners. I cannot express this more often, because this will help you to get on the path of harmony, co-parenting and harmony. It will end the fighting. It will end all the hurt and the resentment that you feel towards the father or the mother of your child, not your ex. The father or the mother of your child. And fourth tip, please do not attack the mom or the dad of your child in front of your child. Don't think that the other parent is a threat to you, because your child loves you both and everybody else in the mix. Their heart is big enough to love everyone in the mix. So let's have fun on this party, book launch party. Yoo-hoo! I'm so excited about this book launch. I'm so excited about this book. Like I said, I have also contributors who are sharing their story from chaos to harmony, co-parenting and harmony, when they focus on what was truly important. They focus on their child's needs and providing just their child needs. So this is what this book is really important. It's really I'm really so heartfelt about it, and and I'm there to really help so many parents, divorced parents, to really find their way, to really find their peaceful path, their yellow brick road, their co-parenting and harmony yellow brick road, as I did as a co-parent myself, and as a bonus mom as well. And so this is my gift to you. Please go on Amazon today if you can. Purchase this book. It will help you to see the light. It will help you to really know where the focus is all about. And it will also help you to reduce or maybe eliminate legal fees, which is very important, right? So thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please do not leave the comments below. You can go on my website, www.annagiannone, Diannone.com. This is www.anna, A-N-N-N. Let me repeat that again. I'm so excited, yoo-hoo, for this book launch that I can't even think anymore. Okay, let me repeat that again. You can go on my website, www.annagiannone, Anna, A-N-N-A, Giannone, Giannone.com. That's all in one word. And you could purchase my book there. It will bring you directly to Amazon. You could also subscribe to my newsletter. It's also on my website. And also, if you'd like, send me an email, send me write down your comments. I'd be my pleasure to answer. And also, take advantage of the free 30-minute consultation that I give out, and let's see what works for you, and let's see how I can make this happen for you, because like I said, I am on a mission to inspire and facilitate healthy family transition and co-parenting. We need to talk more about it because parents need help. You are all suffering, and it's not easy. Parents do need help. So thank you for listening, and yoo-hoo! Thank you for enjoying and coming into my live party, book launch party. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.